Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two things, the image and a depth map. Open your photo as a smart object so filters stay editable. Then generate or paint a grayscale depth map where white is nearest and black is far, using a quick selection and a soft brush to block in areas. Once done, convert the depth layer to linked layer or save as a separate channel. Make sure edges fall off is smooth to avoid hard transitions when you apply the blur filter. Now apply the depth blur neural filter. Go to Filter, choose Neural Filters, then open Depth Blur and load your custom depth map if Photoshop didn't estimate it correctly. Set the focal distance by clicking on the image where you want sharp focus. That value ties to your depth map. Next, increase or decrease aperture to control blur strength, tweak bokeh shape and roundness, and use transition softness to eliminate haloing. Once satisfied, output to a new layer. Finish by refining edges and correcting artifacts. Add a layer mask to the depth blur output and paint with a soft brush to restore detail in edges or hair. Use a low-radius Gaussian blur on the mask edges if needed. If you spot haloing or wrong plane focus, don't fight the filter. Return to the depth map, smooth transitions, and rerun the filter. One key troubleshooting tip: when artifacts persist, reduce aperture and rerun with a more gradual depth gradient. Harsh depth jumps cause most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.